Let's move on to our next post. I was told by a Costco tire shop employee that I need to replace all four tires on my Model Y Performance because it's an all-wheel drive vehicle and you can't replace just one tire. Is that true or am I being upsold? Boy, this is a can of worms.
There's a lot of people going back and forth.
Yep.
Um, Ken says it is true. Ken Schultz, it is true for mechanical all-wheel drive systems that the wheels need to rotate at the same speed going down the highway. Otherwise, it puts too much stress on transmission components. So if you had a lockout, uh, live axle and one tire is worn, and the reason that this is significant is the bigger a circle, the bigger a wheel, the more of the circumference that there is, the the further distance it goes in one revolution than a smaller circumference, right? So if you had a tire that was a half inch difference and that there could be a half inch or a quarter inch of thread. It doesn't seem like a lot, but in one revolution, one tire will go further than the other. So I could see where on mechanical live axles it would. However, with these Teslas, they're the wheels are free spinning um well, actually, I could get some people to post on this because if there's a single motor, like in the rear or in the front, and one tire is smaller than the other one, could that put some stress ongoing on a live axle if those are spinning together? I don't think so. I think what happens is they work like a limited slip differential, and so it's not a live axle. But I would love some comments of some people to correct that. And so Nick Robinson says usually with normal all-wheel drive, you do want to replace all four at the same time. But from my understanding with Tesla, since it's dual motor, you can get away with replacing just that. And then here's the best comment. This is from Justin Padilla. He says, it's not true. Here's the manual saying that you can replace in pairs. So if tires need to be replaced early, we recommend replacing the tire in pairs. And that goes along with what we're talking about with on the front, they're connected to a motor. On the back, they're connected to a motor. And if because dual motor means that there's one up front and one in the back, not two in the back. Now, Cybertruck has three motors, if I'm not mistaken, and there's two in the back and one in the front. So it's a little different there. But you've got two motors, and if one wheel is smaller than the other because you have, 30, 40,000 miles on one tire and you get one brand new tire, I could see that causing some issues. And so Tesla says to replace them in pairs.
Yeah. And I mean, it's always a last resort to, obviously if you have a damaged tire or something, but for those unfamiliar, I mean, it's always a good idea to preferably replace all four. That's not always for practical. If not, you replace two, but you're going to create, it's a slippery slope when you start doing onesie twosies because you're starting to create, premature wear on the other tires and you're just getting things out of sync and you're not getting the best quality ride out of your vehicle. Sometimes it's unavoidable, but I always like, we live on a road where we're having a lot of construction done and we've been getting some nails and whatnot. And, they always don't want to patch your tires and they want to replace them. And I'm like, oh, here we go. We
Yeah.
just replace one tire and so it begins. So
Yep. It says Tesla, that bulletin does say, to continue that sentence, it says replacing in pairs unless the other tire is within 2/32 or 1.5 millimeter of tread depth of the new tire. So in other words, they're within 1.5 millimeter or 2/32 inch tread of the same size as each other.
yeah.
But you don't want to put a new tire, so you get a plug on your right rear tire and your left rear tire, it's still got 10,000 miles left on it, but it's pretty worn out, it's getting there. You would wanna replace both,
Yeah. Yeah.
which that's something, yeah, that can be that kind of, pardon my French, but that sucks sometimes
Yeah.
because it's like, I don't wanna buy this tire if I don't have to, but
Yeah.
you really need to.
Yeah.